Anyway, whilst I'm here, I might as well give you a rundown of what's grown in the allotment. So we'll start off here. We've got some Adzuki beans. They're not looking too good. I've got about 2-3 plants left out of a dozen or so. They just died off. I tried them last year, they didn't work. Tried them this year, they're not working. So I may try them next year because I've still got some beans. But I think that's the last time I'm going to try them. Coming up, there's a little plant here. Teeny little. That's actually an okra. Never grown it before, no idea, so I'll see how it's going. Might never grow it again, who knows. Come over here. This is a sweet potato. This is from one of the potatoes I grew last year. This is Arato Orange. It's doing reasonably well now. Quite a few stems coming off of it, and hopefully that will cover the ground and hopefully give us some sweet potatoes. At the back I've got something called a caracello, which is apparently you eat like cucumbers. Never grown, try something new. And then here I have a Gusto, Arato Gusto, which is a red skinned sweet potato, again from one that I saved last year. And right at the front I've got a lemon verbena, which is looking quite nice. Oh, gorgeous lemon smell. Over here I've got a trombone squash, and that'll grow up and out and down and all over the place. But, you know, it looks quite bare at the minute, but by the end of the year I'm not going to be able to get into the greenhouse to do anything. And then on this line here I've got a chocha. A chocha, I think the best known one is Fat Baby. This isn't Fat Baby, but it's a different variety. They have sort of cucumber-like fruits that, when cooked, taste of green peppers apparently. So I'm looking forward to trying that. If we come on to the other side, down here I have a pepper. This is a Trinidad perfume. I have Alsacre tomato. Then I have a Sweet Million tomato in the corner. Then I have a Gardener's Delight. Yep, that's a Gardener's Delight. And over here I have 5 Ildi tomatoes. And then 2 Geranium Kiss. And coming back into the middle, I've got 2 more peppers. Again, these are Trinidad perfume. My family doesn't like hot peppers. I'm the only one who has them, and I've not had stuff as hot as I used to have. So I'm doing this so we can use them in the food, not kill my family. Not until I rewrite the wills anyway. And then over here we have another sweet potato. This is a purple sweet potato. I'm really interested in seeing what that looks like. You know, the purple fruit thing's supposed to be a lot healthier for you. And, well, sweet potato chips that are purple? Come on, who doesn't want that? Okay. At the end, I've got some shelving, which is full of junk on that side. And on this side is full of seedlings. I've got brassicas, I've got salad plants, some herbs. And they should hopefully be going out, give them a good soak today because they were a bit parched when I came in. And I'll drain the water off later. But these should hopefully be going out soon. And that's what I've got in my greenhouse. As I said, it looks empty at the minute, but give it a little while and it will be chock-a-block and full. I am going to have to do quite a lot of weeding this year, because as I said, I pulled up the weed membrane and underneath was chock full of bindweed roots. I pulled some out today and there'll be more coming back, so I will have to keep on top of the bindweed. I think you can possibly see right over in the corner there a bit that I missed today. And I have got some Mexican marigold seedlings at home, which I'm just waiting to be able to pot on, and then I can plant these out around here and see if that does anything to help the problem with it. Yeah, he's waving this around. You're probably seasick if you stayed this long. Okay, so I'll let you go, and well, that's inside my greenhouse.